Hello Facebook Ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm answering one of your questions. Okay, so the next question is coming from Priscilla. She's asking, should I use the boost button from Facebook to do ads? Let me answer that. This is going to be a very short answer. No, you should not use the boost button. Why? Because the boost button is the best way for Facebook to make money without giving you the best possible results. The boost button is a button that you can see next to your post. It's about boosting. If you want to do it, just to do an engagement ad so that you can increase a little bit the likes or the engagement of a post, it's totally fine. But if you want to do it because you want sales, this is not a professional way of doing ads. I'm having several videos in this YouTube channel showing you how to do Facebook ads, so you don't have an excuse. I'm having a free course, I'm having my book that you can read, all of these resources that they are for free. My book is for free if you have Kindle Unlimited, okay? So all of this is in front of you. Don't push the boost button because you are lazy. The boost button doesn't have all the options. It is having some limited options and then Facebook is choosing everything else for you. And guess what is happening when Facebook is choosing everything for you and you're not controlling it? We are having several issues of Facebook actually spending your money in the least efficient way, let's say, okay? Even if they say that they spend it in the best possible way.
The fuck is this?
If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, don't push the boost button. Check my free course, check my book, and until we meet again, be creative, don't be lazy, and be consistent.